Yeah. So first of all, I have used four import functions for my project, that are import socket, import pwd, import grp, and import subprocesses. Here, first of all, I have used a function name add slash padding, in which I have passed three things: item, rec slash length, and pause. If here pause is equals to left, then it will add a blank space on the left and it will return the item. If it is on the right, same as, it will add a blank space on the right and return the item. But if the condition changes and the pause equals to center, then it will also add a blank on the left as well as on the right, and it will return. At the end, it will end the function. Afterwards, here output file equals to open file w. This file will open the heading of our adds the heading to the file. Like here I can use any heading for my text file. As you can see in my files, I have here this output project1.txt, the name of my file. Yeah, the next thing that I need to, like, it will also add some subheadings to my file as well, like sys slash name equals to socket.cat host. It will add a system name to our file and add some blank lines here. Here it will add some subheadings to our files too, and add tables headings using some this function, that's add slash padding function. Here all the loop users over different users, yeah, like username, GID, they'll fetch from users that are added to the table using this command, that the function name add slash padding for our username. And at the last it will end our loop and add some blank lines there. And it will also add some subheadings, like here I have used some of the functions like proc CPU info. It will give split some new lines, and it will allow, like here I can see 28. I'm showing you that. Like I have explained everything in my table, but to record this I'm showing it again. Like here I have used pwd command. Here pwd.getVol is a command that is used as a struct which contains some of the aforementioned files in our project or in our program. Here it also contains the username of the user at his 0th index, as well as it contains GID of user at 3rd index too. Similarly, here I have used command grp. It's also a library command which allows to run different processes from our it also contains some information about the groups and 0th index, the group name of 0th index. Yeah, like subprocess libraries are used to allow and run different processes from the process, that's proc CPU info. It contains all the info about our CPU or the processor which we have used in this. The information about each process in our computer contains 28 lines. It will include last blank lines also, and It also requires the information that are on line 1, 2, 4, or anyone like 9. And it will also give a block the information of 28 line 2, as it is concerned to like a Ubuntu, I think so, Ubuntu 20.04. Moreover, subprocess libraries here, yeah, moreover I have used some of the output files here, output.file or write list of machine processes. It will tell us about the different processes that are working in our machine. Yeah, the next that is like the last one, that's subprocesses of our library that allow us to run different processes from our this process. Here we can get different outputs of our command like systemctl list units, this also contains list of services that exist on our system. Their output of are mentioned forementioned commands also needs to be cleaned, and it will be removing top line and bottommost 7 lines, and each line contains a unit and spaces, after that several spaces, and after it will contain active sub description like that, whether it is active or not, and some other commands. We have just used the unit and sub commands, which are service names and service status respectively. For this purpose, we split the lines on blank spaces and take the index that's 0 and 3 in here. Like service name, we have take the index 0, and in the service status we have taken the address service slash info, that's third index. Yeah, if we are getting some like error, it will tell us that error occurred fetching list of services on the system. Afterwards I'll show you how that command works. First of all, we need to go to a terminal and use the command cd desktop slash project, and afterwards we have to use python 3 project.py. Yeah, enter. Here we'll use python 3 project.py. That's the name of my file which I have written. Yeah, it has been run. Now you can check here too. That's the file which I have run. It is showing everything, the output, the status of the processes which are running or which are not running. I can also change the name of the file there. Wait, I'll do that too. See here, you can open that file project.py, and here I can directly change the name of the file. Like I have used output, here I'll use output only, like project1.txt. Yeah, and here I'll use output. Now if I'll save this command and go to my terminal and again use this command and enter, see, here's a new folder named project1 output. You can see everything is same, but the name of file has been changed because here output file, it will open this file and change its name here. Yeah, it will add a subheading to our folder. Yeah, so this is my project which I have done. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll post these things. I have also wrote everything that I have explained earlier, in my project. You can check that too. Thanks.